Assistive technology, aka AAC, helps people to communicate. This could be done with pictures, an iPad, an iPhone, ASL, written communication, body language, anything that helps a person communicate their message with others. Here's a cooking activity involving AAC at home.
Hello.
Hola, querida.
Hello. What are you doing?
Estoy haciendo un pastel.
Food.
Sí, es un tipo de postre.
Cake.
Sí, el pastel es un postre que se celebran en los cumpleaños o en otros tipos de eventos.
Birthday.
Sí, es para el cumpleaños de Astrid, una amiga mía.
Happy.
Sí, va a estar muy contenta cuando vea este pastel.
Cool.
Sí, es genial.
Goodbye.
Adiós.
Thanks for watching AAC with Natasha. Communication is key.